Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your Android phone is updated and the Google Wallet app is installed. This matters because newer security layers are required. Once done, sign into a verified Google account and add a working phone number for verification. You need one to receive SMS codes. Next, choose a non-bank funding source like a prepaid Visa, store gift card, or mobile carrier top-up. These allow you to load value without a bank account. Start the add payment method flow and follow on-screen prompts carefully. You now add the prepaid or gift card to wallet. Enter card number, expiry, and CVV. This is how Google recognizes the funding source. Make sure to complete any verification. Google may place a temporary small authorization charge or send an SMS code. Follow the exact verification steps so the card becomes usable. If available, top up your Google Pay balance directly from a supported retail voucher or carrier billing. This creates a usable digital balance without linking a bank account, giving you immediate spend capability. You're ready to pay? Unlock your phone, tap the NFC terminal, and select the prepaid or Google balance as the payment method. This works wherever contactless payments are accepted. Make sure to watch the wallet balance and transaction history for pending authorizations that might temporarily reduce available funds. If a payment fails, first clear the app cache and restart your phone, then re-verify the card or remove and re-add the payment method. If problems persist, contact the card issuer for authorization holds or region-specific wallet support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.